Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today I'm talking about dulse, and this is a type of reddish brown sea vegetable. It's like a seaweed. I've got some dulse flakes right here. And I've got a list of foods that are known to pair well with dulse. So if you're new to using it and you want to do something a little bit with it, hopefully this will help you out. In the protein category, that includes legumes, nuts, and seeds. There's beans, cashews, eggs, fish, peanuts and peanut butter, sesame seeds and sesame paste, bean sprouts, tahini, tofu, and walnuts. In the vegetables category, we have cabbage of all sorts, celery, greens, especially collard greens or ones like that, the bitter greens, mushrooms, onions, potatoes, scallions, spinach, sweet potatoes, vegetables in general, and watercress. In the way of fruits, we've got apples, avocados, coconuts, lemon, and that includes lemon juice and lemon zest. In the grains and grain products category, there is just grains in general, noodles, oats, pasta, popcorn, and rice. In the dairy and non-dairy products category, there's butter. In the other foods category, there's miso and oil, especially olive oil and sesame oil. And really, you can add dulse to any food that you want to add a little bit of salty, umami, smoky flavor to. I do hope this helps. Bye for now.